Hi, my name is Noah Applegate, and this is a demonstration of my Raspberry Pi alarm clock. This was built using a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, which I currently have hooked up to a monitor, keyboard, and 2 speakers. So the way our alarm is going to work is using 3 files located in the bin directory, and the first is a bash script called setalarm.sh. So what the script is going to do is going to prompt the user to enter the time that they want the alarm to sound, for how long they want the alarm to sound, and then the MP3 file that they want to use. It's then going to write all of this information to a text file called alarmconfig.txt, and the last thing it's going to do is write the duration of the MP3 to this file, and I'll explain why we do that later. So let's go ahead and run the script. So I'm going to go ahead and set this alarm to run at 0131, and the current time is 0129. I'm going to let it run for 10 seconds, and I'm going to use the following file. Okay, so we get a confirmation about the time when our alarm will sound, its duration, and the MP3 being used. Let's go ahead and take a look at our configuration file. And here we see all the information that we entered. So here's the time our alarm will sound, its duration, specified file, and the duration of the MP3. Okay, so our alarm actually runs using a Python program called alarmclock.py. And what this Python program is going to do is it's going to check the current system time every 5 seconds and read the time specified from alarmconfig.txt. It's then going to compare the 2 times, and if they're equal to each other, then we're going to run our alarm for the specified duration. So this system call right here is what actually runs our MP3, and as soon as that executes, I put the program to sleep for the duration in the MP3 file. The reason I do this is because if I don't, the Python program will run the MP3 as quickly as it can and will have the same MP3 layered over itself multiple times. So the last thing we need to do is make sure that our Python program is running. And I'm going to go ahead and run it in the background. So our alarm should sound as soon as the system time reads 0131. Okay, so there was our alarm. So if I want to set a new alarm, I'm going to go ahead and pause our Python program. So I'm going to use the command kill stop. So our Python program has been paused, and now I'm going to edit our configuration file using our bash script. So let's go ahead and set this for 0133. Let it run for 60 seconds, and I'm going to use a different MP3 file this time. So there's our alarmconfig.txt now. So there's the specified duration, the time it's going to sound, the file, and the duration of the MP3 file. So now let's go ahead and resume our Python program. Okay, and our alarm should be sounding at 0133, which should be coming up in about 30 seconds. Okay, so this has been a demonstration of my Raspberry Pi alarm clock. Thank you for watching, and feel free to enjoy the music.